what a nice day today. I know, right? Oh, it's cloudy. What do you mean it's a good day? It's cloudy. Well, it still can be good. It's not guaranteed that it'll rain. It's a 99.9% chance that it's going to rain. Oh. Well, what about the 0.01% that it won't rain? Okay, that's such a small statistic that it's not even possible. It could be. Oh, whatever. Let's just stay here till it does rain. Whatever. Well, stop acting naive. It's gonna rain, and you know it. Yeah, I know. Those darn guys, I don't like them. What if we make a fake tornado to separate them, and then we can pick them off one by one? That's a good idea, boss. Squirtle, build me a machine that makes tornadoes. Oh, okay. Say goodbye, you guys.
2 hours later.
Wait. Oh, why am I starting to float? Ah, tornado! Ah, tornado! I hate tornadoes. Ah! Squiddy! No! Oh! Oh no! I'm next! Oh no! 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 I can't let go! I can't let go! Yes! It worked! Help me, boss! Turn, Squirtle! You're on your own! Ha ha ha! Oh, where am I? Whoa, look! It's a ginormous maple tree. Oh, it's a nativity scene. This must be Christmas land. Why is there a cat here? You know what? I don't know why there's a ginormous cat in Christmas land, but whatever. Guess I'll just chill under the tree. Walking around with a Christmas tree. Whoa, the lights went on. Well, this isn't so bad. I could get used to this. Oh. What is this? Oranges? This must be Orange Land. Hey, I mean, at least I have food, am I right? Although, it's surrounded by some pretty deep cliffs. I think I'm just gonna stay in the orange jacuzzi for a while. Ew, what is this place? Why is there just shoes? This must be Shoe Land. Oh, they're not clean. Blech. These are not clean. This is a pretty barren place, just shoes. Can't survive on shoes. Especially if they smell like this. Ugh. Yeah, I guess I could try to find the others. Oh! What is this place? This must be cat bed land. I sure hope a cat doesn't come over here. So that'll be bad. I gotta get used to this place. I really love Christmas land. There's candy canes, there's Christmas trees, there's all sorts of stuff. I don't really care if my friends ever come back. I can stay here forever. I love Christmas land. Yay! Well, I just tasted some of these oranges, and they're kind of moldy on the inside. I guess no one's ever. Need some new oranges. I wonder if they have people here to plant like ginormous giants to put new oranges in these bowls. Huh. I hope they come around sooner or later. To one, help me find my friends, and two, to put new oranges in this bowl. I gotta find a way. I might have to take the plunge off this cliff. But actually, I'm a bit hesitant because, I mean, that is pretty far to drop. And there is no water down there. Maybe I could find a parachute or something. Anyway, whoa, is that a camera? It's a camera here. Hello? Is there anyone there? Can anyone hear me? If you can hear me, can you send a helicopter or something so I could reunite with my friends? I'm kind of lost, and I hate Shoeland. Hello? 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 This cat bed is getting very comfortable. I wonder if I could get a pillow around here or something. Well, I guess I could try to take a nap.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. I forget the lyrics to the song, so I'm just gonna hum. Hey!
Oh, look, paper. I wonder if I could use that as a parachute. Huh. There seems to be some kind of writing on it, so I don't want to rip that up. Guess I'll find a blank piece of paper somewhere. Okay, I have my parachute. Ah! Darn it! My parachute didn't work. I hate my parachute. It didn't even work. Squiddy? What do you want, random cameraman following me? Yeah, that was a piece of paper you used. Shut up, it was a parachute. But at least I'm down here. Whatever. My evil plan worked. I separated them. Well, I need a new sidekick. My one sidekick blown away. Whatever, not my problem. What is that thing? Is it a bird? Or is it a plane? Or is it a flying turtle? Oh! What the heck are you doing? Sorry, sir. I got caught up in a tornado. Sam, I also got caught up in a tornado. You want to be friends? Sure. I guess we'll have to find... we have to find the rest of my friends. Yeah, let's go. Ah! Wait a minute. What's that over there? It's a giant cat! Ah! Ah! Whoa, old man, what are you doing here? Willie! I don't know, I landed here. I landed in cat bed land. Well, I landed in Christmas land. Come on, stay. I'll make you hot cocoa. Okay. Let's go. Ninja? Squiddy! What's up? Hey, man. I'm glad I ran into you. Same. I mean, where I was in Shoeland. It smelled horrible. Would not recommend. I know what you're talking about, man. I was on Orange Land, and I tried to jump down off that ginormous cliff, and my parachute failed. Okay, first of all, where are you gonna get a parachute? You're in Orange Land. It's like deserted. By the way, the oranges are moldy there. Yeah, I know. I tried one. Oh, this is Squirtle. He joined me. Oh, hi Squirtle. I'm Squiddy. Hey Squiddy. That's not the point. We have to find Willie and Old Man. Well, I have a dark secret to tell you guys. So, I was working for Blastoise, and he really doesn't like you guys. He was the reason the tornado happened. The tornado? You were part of the reason the tornado happened. Screw you then. You know what? Yeah, that's what you get. Did he really have to do that? Yeah. Okay, let's fight Old Man. And Willie. This is the life. I know, right? Willie! Ninja! Hey guys! Squiddy! Guys, we gotta get out of here. No, we have to beat the Blastoise guy. No. I think I'm good. Let's stay here, guys. It's nice. You guys can come back anytime. Just come on, let's go. Ah! Blastoise! Oh, hello, you guys. Didn't think you would ever return. Well, you thought wrong, my friend. I'm not your friend. I know, I was just saying that to be polite. But anyway, let's battle! Ah! 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 cannon blaster. It's the best you got. Face it, you guys can't beat me. Oh, I can. Let's go. Come on, guys. You can handle it from there. Wrestling time. Oh, get off me. Take it from here, Willie. Get the final hit. Okay. Yeah, we won. Let's go.